Why does everything feel more expensive? Even when your salary hasn't changed, but still can't save money? Why are you working just as hard? And what if the real problem isn't your income at all?
Imagine a wolf face who used to buy food easily every day. Same effort, same work. But suddenly, everything around him starts getting expensive. The meat costs more, the water costs more. Even the basic things he needs just to survive now feel harder to afford. But here's the strange part. Nothing about the wolf has changed. He's still working the same, still trying the same. So why does life suddenly feel heavier? This is exactly what's happening to people right now. Prices are going up everywhere. Groceries, rent, fuel, everything feels like it's slowly getting out of reach. And most people think, I need to work more. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is something most people don't even notice. Your money is quietly losing value. Think about it like this. If you had $100 last year, it could buy more things than it can today. That means even if you're earning the same amount, you're actually getting less. It's like running on a treadmill. You're moving, but not going forward. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. The wolf notices something. Some other wolves aren't struggling as much. They're calm. They're not panicking. Why? Because they understand something most don't. They don't just earn money. They protect its value. So the real question is, are you just working harder, or are you thinking smarter? Now the wolf starts thinking differently. Instead of just working harder, he asks a better question. How do I stop losing? Because that's the real game. Most people think money problems are about earning more, but in reality, it's about losing less value over time. So what does the wolf do? He stops wasting small amounts again and again. He starts paying attention. He realizes that buying random things just for comfort is actually making things worse. Every small decision starts to matter. Then he notices something powerful. The wolves who are doing better are not lucky. They simply use their money differently. They don't rush. They don't follow emotions. They think before they act. They spend with purpose. Instead of saying, I deserve this, they ask, do I really need this? Instead of reacting, they plan. Instead of chasing short-term comfort, they focus on long-term stability. And slowly, things begin to change. The wolf is still earning the same, but now he feels more in control, less stress, more clarity, more awareness. Because the truth is simple. When you control your decisions, you control your money. So maybe the problem was never your income. Maybe it was always your thinking. At the end of the day, nothing changed around the wolf. The world is still expensive, prices are still rising, and life is still challenging. But one thing did change, the way he thinks. And that changed everything. Because the truth is, you don't always need more money to feel in control. Sometimes, you just need to think differently about the money you already have. Right now, most people are stuck in the same loop. Work more, spend more, stress more. But the ones who break out of it are the ones who pause, think, and make smarter decisions. So the next time you feel like everything is getting expensive, don't just blame the world. Ask yourself, am I using my money the right way? Because that one question can change your future. If this made you think differently, then you're already ahead of most people. Subscribe to Wolf Money Wolf Face and start learning how to take control of your money, one smart decision at a time. Because smarter thinking today creates a stronger tomorrow. Rocket Fire.